Tornado Wire was established over 30 years ago and is now recognized as a leading wire fence manufacturer, supplying innovative fencing throughout the UK and across the globe. From its manufacturing site in Millen, Cumbria, more than 6,000 miles of fencing has been produced in the last year. And it all starts here. The raw material is loaded onto a steel former, ready to deliver to the manufacturing process within the factory. Tornado Wire were the first company to introduce high tensile wire fencing to the UK and continue to innovate and invest in the very latest technology. A dedicated workforce is vital to our success, and traditional skills are still valued to ensure that every roll of wire meets the very highest standards. Across the world, fencing is required for many different applications, from standard stock fencing to camel fencing for the Middle East, and here in the UK and throughout Europe, deer fencing is also in great demand. We strive continuously to produce fencing solutions for every conceivable situation where safeguarding livestock or people is necessary. To stay at the forefront of wire manufacture, we batch test all our products rigorously. This high-tech procedure monitors the breaking strain of the raw material. More traditional methods are employed to establish overall tension and alignment. Tornado manufactures more than 9,000 miles of barbed wire each year, essential to contain heavier grazing animals. All of our barbed wire is wound onto wooden centres, which are made from timber sourced from sustainable stocks. To complement our fencing products, Tornado also manufactures staples on site. Barbed or plain, our staples are the first choice for secure fencing. The last process is to deliver the rolls to our finished goods store. From here, they will be loaded onto our own fleet of lorries, ready to be dispatched throughout the UK, Europe, and the rest of the world. Not only do we need our fencing to be in perfect condition, we have an on-site, well-equipped gym to help our workforce keep in trim too. As a leading manufacturer, and to keep abreast of the ever-changing products and techniques, Tornado Wire organise and sponsor the National Fencing Competition at the National Sheep Association event in Worcestershire. The competition attracts the best fencers in the country and showcases the fencing industry and demonstrates the high levels of both modern and traditional skills required. A common destination for our fencing will be farmland or forestry which needs protection. The increasing numbers of wild deer cause a significant problem in the UK and Scandinavia. Britain's 300 deer farmers also need to contain their stock. To meet these demands, Tornado manufacture High Tensile Plus deer fencing, which offers unrivaled security, strength and durability. Tornado High Tensile Plus fencing strains tighter than mild steel fencing, requiring fewer fence posts, even on rocky and steeply sloping ground. Box section, straining poles with a horizontal brace, all notched and tensioned correctly, are vital to the laying out and strength of the finished fence. A tensioned bottom wire helps keep all the intermediate poles in line. Once all the straining posts are in, attaching the fence can begin, whether it is T-clip or tying off by hand. Enormous pressures come into play when tensioning the straining wires and the fence itself. For getting the job done right and for health and safety purposes, the right tools are essential. Tornado barbed staples fix the fencing to the posts. Another Tornado fence that not only complements the environment, but will give years and years of trouble-free protection.